Right, today ladies, what we're going to do is show you the correct process and how to clean your bags. How many times have you found that the bag has been left in the cupboard unloved because it's dirty or worn? What we're going to do today is actually show you the correct process and to bring some life and some love back into your leather bag. So what we're going to do today is use our new prototype cleaner and sponge, and what we're going to do is wet the sponge with the prototype cleaner and give it a good wetting over. Apply the cleaner actually onto the leather bag itself in a circular motion, and then we're going to use something called a Tampico head brush and lightly agitate it. You don't want to be scrubbing very difficultly and hard with the Tampico brush. The leather on leather handbags is a little bit more fine and a little bit soft and more refined than a car leather interior, so you want to be a little bit more gentle with it. Once we've completed this, on the edge of the bag you can actually see that it's worn down to the natural hide. What we're going to do is use a leather repair pen, and it's as simple as colouring in the excess of where it's worn down on the exterior of the bag and to give it that original look again. So we'll start with a cleaner. So you give it a nice wetting out, and what you want to do is give nice circular motions, and it will foam up. This is a good quality cleaner. It actually has the aroma of the leather inside of it, so it'll actually smell like a brand new leather bag once again. Now that you've agitated the dirt, what you want to do is take a nice clean cloth and wipe the dirt out of the leather itself. As you can see, some of the dirt has actually come through and out onto the terry towel cloth itself, and that is the dirt itself. It's no colouring has been stripped. Now to the next process, what we're going to use is a leather repair pen. What you want to do is simply on any worn areas of where the leather has worn down on the corners. If you have used the leather cleaner, what you want to do is dry the area. And it is a simple case of going over your edging or your worn areas with the pen, which come in many different colours. And simply brush it on so it can penetrate through into the leather. And what we're going to do now is we're going to warm it up, as with all of our colourants. To speed up the process, we're going to use a hairdryer to warm it up. If required, what you can do is actually give it a second coat just to make sure that you've got good coverage and that the worn leather item itself looks brand new and the way that you bought it. Now that you've completed the cleaning process and you've done the repair with a repair pen, you want to step into the next process, which is the protection cream. This will help protect from UV rays and staining and damage in the future. The next part in the process is applying the leather protection cream. So what you want to do is use a nice soft cloth and apply a very small amount of the leather protection cream to the cloth, applied in circular motions, and this is going to protect it from UV damage and staining in the future. It will also give a nice subtle feel to the leather itself, and it's as simple as this. Right, now that you've given good coverage with the leather protection cream, you take a nice clean cloth and wipe off the excess residue. It smells wonderful, it's nice and soft, and it's going to give it long-lasting protection. Thank you for watching the video.